I'm going through this condition known as trichotillomania, wherein I've been pulling my hair. My scalp is very much visible, so whenever I go out I need to cover it up with a scarf or with fibers. So I'm always scared that what if these things come off. I was searching for a lot of solutions. I went to a lot of doctors, I went to a lot of other places as well. Then while googling, I came to Infiniti Hair Club. I took an appointment. I came in here. I spoke to the team. They were really good. The way they explained me how it is going to work, I'm pretty convinced and I'm very excited. So let's see how it works. Okay, I'm all set, ready to see the new me. Within a very short span of time, no, without any pain, I'm so excited about this. I can move my hair here and there. I can, brush my hand through it. Walk out confidently. I'm very happy with Infiniti Hair Club for making me feel beautiful.